Let's look at Chapter 5, Lesson 7, Practice. We're connecting perimeter and area. We need to find the perimeter of each quadrilateral. Remember, perimeter is when you add up all the sides. So find the perimeter by, when you have number 1, making sure that you put the numbers on the other side. And you can do 8 plus 13 and then double it for one that is similar to this. I know that 8 plus 13 is 21, and then I'm going to multiply it by 2 in order to find out the units. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So I know that for this one it's 42 units. For number 2, again, I know that this side is going to be 6 and this side is going to be 20. I know that 20 plus 20 is going to be 40, and then 6 plus 6 is 12. So I have 40 plus 12, and then I know that this is going to be 52 units. Use this strategy for number 3 and number 4. The sides will be 7 for number 3 because it's a square, and because number 4 is a rhombus, both sides are going to be 6. For number 5 and number 6, what you're going to do is make sure that you add up all the sides. Remember to use all the numbers that are given because that's the lengths of each side. For number 7, we need to list the figures with 2 pairs of parallel sides. So number 1 is there, number 2 is a parallelogram, number 3 is a square, and number 4 is a rhombus. Which figure has exactly 1 pair of parallel sides? Number 6 is a trapezoid. The top and the bottom are parallel. Remember, parallel lines never meet. List the figures with 4 equal sides. Number 3, the square, and number 4, the rhombus. They both have equal sides. Number 10, list the figures with 4 right angles. So I know that a rectangle has to have 4 right angles, and I know that a square has to have 4 right angles. Which figure has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles? Well, if I look at number 9 and number 10, the answer is there, but I also should know that a square does. For the test prep, we need to describe scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangles. If you're unsure of what these should be, you can look in the glossary of your book. But also, scalene triangles have 3 sides that are not equal to anything. For an isosceles triangle, I know that 2 sides are equal. For an equilateral triangle, I know that all 3 sides are equal in the measurement of their length.